Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. Buy for Super AMOLED front screen, 120Hz refresh rate, Corning Gorilla Glass V5, 108MP primary camera on the rear side, 32MP front shooter, 5000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging, MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, 8GB RAM, expandable internal storage, sidewise fingerprint sensor. Verdict: Samsung Galaxy M53 5G is a futuristic performer ready for the 5G network. You can also depend on this particular variant with its executive class display configuration, great cameras and a massive storage panel. Define your creativity with Samsung. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G comes with a 6.7 inches Super AMOLED type screen, having a protective layer of Corning Gorilla Glass V5. The Smartphone AAS bezel-less screen also features a pixel density of 393p, a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of 20:9. 120Hz refresh rate is also made available within. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G AAS backside is installed with a 108MP f/1.8 main lens, an 8MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2MP f/2.4 macro camera and a 2MP f/2.4 depth camera accompanied by LED flash. The brand has also placed a powerful 32MP f/2 primary camera on the front side of the device with screen flash configuration and battery. A powerful duo comprising MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset and an octa-core processor manages the internal operations of the Samsung Galaxy M53 5G. The particular processor holds a Cortex-A78 and Cortex-A55 layout and is capable of performing at the maximum speed of 2.4 GHz. An 8GB RAM and a Mali G68MC4 GPU are also present within. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G is powered by a Li-ion Type 5000 mAh battery that can be charged by a 25 watts fast charging mechanism. Storage and connectivity. For storage purposes, users get 128GB internal space with Samsung Galaxy M53 5G that can be increased up to 1 TB. Connectivity-wise, the device supports 5G and 4G VoLTE LTE network connections along with USB Type-C, mobile hotspot, a GPS with GLONASS, NFC, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth v5.0. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G price is expected to be 26,499 rupees. Samsung Galaxy M53 5G expected to be launched on April 29, 2022. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy M53 5G, which is expected to available in deep ocean blue, mystique green color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.